Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. Second video I'm doing today, just did that product, and it was terrible. Second one we're doing today is Ryan West Industries Ultra Suds, Ultra Foaming Suds Super Concentrated Car Shampoo. Now, they do have a few different products on their website. So this is ryanwestindustries.com. It's the only place that I know of that you can buy it. Company based out of Florida. They manufacture their own chemicals, ceramic coatings, spray coatings, everything under the sun. You name it, they got it. They've got a few shampoo offerings, so I just figured, okay, let me try this ultra foaming one. Shake well before use for a shampoo. I don't think they just put that on the label for everything. Surface should be cool, avoid direct sunlight, it's early morning, we're in the shade, so we're good. Add 2 to 4 ounces to a foam cannon or 5-gallon bucket. Full vehicle, let it dwell, pressure wash. So, you know, we're just trying to see how foamy this stuff is, and if it rinses free. So, I've got my foam cannon, it's a little over half full. So, I'll put 3 ounces just to be on the safe side. So, let me see where the measuring cup is. Okay, so this is a 3-ounce mark right here. This opened up. And I did smell it. It's got like a nice blue raspberry scent, I guess. Let's get this filled up. Nice consistency. It's not too thick, not too runny. Although I do prefer it more runny, like CarPro Reset. That stuff's like perfect, but you know, doesn't mean anything. Get that mixed in. The MJJC Foam Cannon Pro version 2, the best foam cannon on the market. Alright. This is just a foam, pH neutral, no additives or anything, so this is good for ceramic coatings, waxes, anything. It's just good for washing the car. So that's cranked up to max foam. Give it a swig. Let's go get set up and see how it does. We got a foam cannon here. It's on max foam. See how it does. Very nice. Stuff is, they call it Ultra Suds for a reason. I mean, it smells, and I thought it was like a berry scent in the bottle, but it kind of smells like, Axe, I guess, like Axe body wash. I don't know. It smells good, though. Let me see how it feels, slickness-wise. Yeah, no complaints there. It glides right across the surface, no problem. So slickness is good. I'm sure the cleaning ability is good. And it does cling very well. So let's see how it rinses. Rinses very easily, so very impressed with this soap. Very good stuff. Unlike the last product I tried, which was terrible, this stuff is pretty good, so props to you guys for this. Anyways, let's go in for the final thoughts of the video. Alright, so Ryan West Industries, what do you call this stuff? Let me fix the zoom. I don't know why I'm zooming in so close. There we go, okay. Ultra Suds Car Shampoo. hey, great product. This stuff works very well. It does exactly what it says it does. It foams up really well. You don't have to use a lot to get good foam. So pretty happy with this purchase. Unlike the glass cleaner plus ceramic right there, this stuff's pretty good. So, you know, props to you guys for this. Again, guys, this isn't sold on Amazon. It's only sold on their website, so I'll put links below. Probably tomorrow I'll be testing this stuff out. This is their ceramic coating spray. This is just a prep spray that they sent for free. There's really nothing to test out. I mean, it's just an alcohol-based, or alcohol and water-based prep spray. But we'll try this out. We'll see how this stuff does and see how it performs. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you all watching. This was a shorter video than normal. But let me know your thoughts below in the comments. Leave the video a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.